everyone, this is Daniel with uGenesys, and welcome back to our channel. And in this video, I'm going to introduce you to our uGenesys Equity Forex software, alright? So if you are a serious Forex trader, then this is a must-have tool for you, alright? And as you know, trading in the Forex market can be a high-risk and volatile endeavor. One wrong decision can result in a significant loss, and you may find yourself losing your hard-earned money due to emotional trading or lack of discipline, alright? But this is where our Equity Protector Forex software comes in, alright? But let me give you a quick breakdown. So first, I'm going to show you how to install this software to your MT4 platform. Then I'm going to show you how to add it to your chart, and then we'll just go over the basic features of this robot here. Okay, so what you want to do to install this robot, you want to go to File and open Data folder. Alright, and also you want to have another window open here with the actual Equity Protector executable file here, alright? But in the data folder, you want to go to MQL4, then Experts, and then you can just drag and drop the Equity Protector into this folder here, alright? And then you want to close your MT4 platform, and then you'll just reopen it again, alright? And so now that it's installed into MT4, you can go ahead and add it to the chart. So let's go to View, then Navigator, and you can check the section here, Expert Advisors. That's where you'll see the uGenesys Equity Protector. Alright, so let's just add this to our chart here. Hit OK. Alright, so here you can see it, here you can see the look. So with this software, you no longer have to worry about losing your money, alright, because it's designed to protect your Forex account from large losses and help you reach your desired profit target, okay? And so this software automatically closes open trade positions when the Forex account reaches a specific loss limit, and hence ensuring that you never lose more money than you can afford, alright guys? So look at this example here. You can see we have this section called the max daily loss, and it's represented in terms of risk and also the currency, alright? So for example, if I should say I just want to put 5% of my account at risk today, alright, you can also see it reflects the value over here for 2,500, because this account is actually a $50,000 account, so 5% of that is 2,500, alright? And so whenever the account reaches this level here at 5%, it will close all the trades, preventing any further loss for that day, okay guys? And also, if I wanted to represent it in terms of the figure, for example, I said only, let's just say 7,000. There it also represents the corresponding risk percentage, alright? And once the account reaches this level, it's going to automatically close those trading positions, preventing any further loss, okay? And so the software also helps you prevent over trading by setting a specific profit target, okay? And once that target is reached, the software will automatically close the trade so that you can take your profits and move on to the next trade. And this helps to avoid over trading, which can be a common problem for Forex traders, alright? Especially beginners, alright? Example here, we see the section max daily target, alright? It works just like the max daily loss section, alright? So you have the value represented in terms of currency and risk. So for example, I want to set the risk here to 10%, and there you see it automatically calculates the corresponding currency value, alright, for your max daily target there, alright? Or if you wanted to put here as well, let's say 6,000, there reflects the percentage as well, alright, the corresponding percentage for your max daily target, alright, to prevent you from over trading your account, okay guys? So as you can see, using this software, it's very easy. You just need to input your desired parameters, and the software will take care of the rest for you, alright? And so it will automatically close trades when the specific limits are reached, and you'll be notified of this as well, alright? So the Equity Protector Forex software is also great for people who are undergoing prop firm evaluations with companies like FTMO. It ensures that the trader stays within their daily loss limit, which is essential in these evaluations here, right? So this tool will provide you with peace of mind and help you to focus on your trading strategies, knowing that your trades are being managed with precision and discipline, alright? And finally, I'd like to emphasize that our Equity Protector Forex software is a must-have tool for any Forex trader looking to take their trading to the next level. With its automatic trade management features, it will help you to stay disciplined, reach your profit targets, and avoid avoid large losses. Alright, and so guys, remember to click on the link in the description below to get this particular robot here. Alright, and thanks again for watching our video. Please remember to like, subscribe, share with your friends, and comment down below and let us know what you think. Okay, and goodbye for now.